Plymouth Prowler time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Actually been selling quite a few of these in the past year. This particular one, 1999 Plymouth Prowler. Of course, convertible. Now this is Prowler Black Clear Coat. It'll be one of 779, made in 1999 in this color. Underneath the hood, 3.5 liter high output V6. They did bump the horsepower on them in 1999 to 253 horse. And you got to remember this car, much of the structure of it, chiefly the chassis, is made out of aluminum. So the power to weight ratio, very good on these quick car. That 3.5 liter is paired with 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive as well as auto stick. So you can drive it like an automatic, or if you want to shift it more manually, you can do that also. Clean Carfax, low mile car, no accidents indicated on the Carfax, a little over 10,000 miles on this one. Now if you want to check out the interiors and check out the engine bay, undersides of it, check out all of that at uniqueclassiccars.com. This has the agate interior, which they all would have had in 1999, kind of a dark gray or charcoal. Go ahead and look at that. Things like brand new inside. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Call us too, 507-386-1726. A couple things I've noticed on this that are actually pretty nice I haven't seen on some of the other ones. These front bumpers, they actually cleared over them. This is usually kind of a flat finish. They've cleared over them. So it's going to be definitely easier to clean bugs and what have you off of it. There's also a little protector down in the front. They got kind of a little carbon fiber protector. And then here on the top, you do have the, well, 3M would be a brand of it, but the clear paint protector on that also. The one thing I did notice in the paint, there's that one little shaded spot that if you get in the light just right, you can see it. But other than that, I mean, look at the reflection, gloss on the paint, nice finish on the car. Continental tires, riding on the original rims. So pretty stock looking, besides a couple of those few things they pointed out in the front. That's just more for paint protection than anything. Go ahead and take a look at this interior. Of course, the top on these is manual. There's a cloth top. This one's a nice shape. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to put it up so you can get a look at that too. Of course, the center dash cluster. Tachometer would be mounted on your steering column. That is all stock. AC blows cold, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise. All the amenities you're going to have on a late model car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. This one does have a little aftermarket exhaust on it, a little rumble to it. If that's not your cup of tea, you can always consult with your sales associate, and if you want to get an estimate of the cost or anything to change over the exhaust back to more of a stock, feel free to. That's with any of our cars here. We do have a service shop in the back that we do that kind of work, and all our cars go through that also. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And that phone number, once again, is 507-386-1726. Of course, these were riding on 20-inch wheels in the back, 17s up front. That hot rod stance. And again, look at the paint, the reflection basically of the ceiling above me, the wall. I mean, great luster and reflection to that paint. All right, let's go ahead and let's see. I'm just going to reach in and start. It's probably going to be the easiest. All right. Door panels. There's your power mirror, power locks, power windows. Original Prowler floor mats. And take a look at these seats. Again, your typical wear spots, bolster, side of the seat going in and out. No real wear there at all. You're just going to get a few wrinkles and natural leather, just like you will in a nice leather coat or shoes as they soften up. Very supple leather. Alright, I'm going to sit here so I can get you the miles. Again, shifter on the floor, automatic with overdrive and that auto stick, steering wheel controls for cruise. AM FM cassette, again AC, does blow cold. No warning indicators on the dash. All the gauges work. There's your miles, 10,584. Tachometer works. And again, a little throatier, a little more aggressive exhaust. Again, if that's not your cup of tea, discuss it with your sales associate. Have them price out what a stock or more standard exhaust would be. I'll slip around to the back here so you can hear it too. Again, nothing over the top, but a little more rumble coming out of it. Alright, I'm going to go up to the front here. Let's take a look at the engine bay. I'm going to pause this so I can pop this hood. Releases kind of down on the left door sill, driver's side door sill, down where you get in and out, and we'll get her popped open. Let's check it out. Alright, hood's popped. You get a little glare looking underneath that hood, but you can see this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Hood liner is nice and clean. Of course, the battery location helping out with your weight distribution of the car evenly. It's up front. Pony suspension. There's that 3.5 liter. Smooth running engine. And again, all the amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC, of course fuel injection, you can see it there, 24 valve. Plenty of power for the weight of this vehicle. Alright, tell you what, I'm going to shut it off here a second, close that hood up, and I want to get the top up for you so you can take a look at the condition of the top. So I'm going to pause this again, be back with that top up so you can check it out. Alright, have the top up, and again, black cloth, manual top, and in the pictures you'll be able to see the little, basic little storage area in the trunk there, if you will. Now in the pictures, the top is quite black, like that right there. When I walk around it, the lights are going to wash it out and it's going to look a little more gray. That's not the case. Right there's the true color. Nice black. I'll try to kind of keep it that way if I can at the angle I have here. And as you can see, free of rips, tears. Of course, the glass rear window with defrost. And again, in nice shape. Now, one other thing I will let you know about this car is it does have a verbal security system on it. So let me show you what it'll do. Somebody comes up, gets too close. So, verbal warning, no crazy alarms, anything like that going off. So there you go, 1999 Plymouth Prowler. Clean Carfax, a little over 10,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can view the pics and the info. And remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.